Hey, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Arnold, your tech bro, back again with another video of the 4DRC F10 drone, the non-GPS version, the Wi-Fi one. Of course, both all have Wi-Fi, but this one is the non-GPS. So I'll take a real quick, I will deep dive with you of what it contains. So it has a box, as you can see, and then the first layer. Wow, guys, this box is, the case is solid compared to the V14 one, which is always sort of a light material like polythene. I think I have one somewhere. I can show you the comparison in a minute. Not even a minute, a second. If you compare the texture of the V10 drone, this casing, just the case, not even the drone, the material, guys, this one is very, very thin material. This is not that bad, but if you compare how they are, I don't know if you can see the difference, but this one is quite solid. You can see it's stable. It looks like the tin or something. It has the form and the shape, but this one is bit. This is the V88. I want to show you. There's a video, you can check it out if you haven't seen it yet. A very nice drone. So back to this is F10. Go inside. And guys, I must tell you, this one now looks like a drone. Have you seen? Like, this one looks like a DJI drone. It can be compared to which DJI version it is. There's a DJI drone that looks exactly like this. Wow. So the warning, of course, and then there are brushless motors, as you can see. Yep. Whoa. Yeah. And then remember, this camera is electric, so you don't have to use my fingers to move it. As you can see, there's a motor there, and then it's transcribed here F10. We know, of course, to show it an F10. And then vidIQ. I don't know who vidIQ is. And then, of course, the slot for the battery. This is another single battery. So that's her. The other side, the remote. Hey, this one is quite tiny. What? Not quite tiny, it's tiny, it's so small. Of course, it will fit your phone. This phone, this is the way you place your phone. And then let me show you the function, because the remotes are always different. The remotes are always different. For DRC F10 with the GPS version has a different remote compared to this. So this is the non-GPS. Let me just take you through what the controls mean. Okay, so you're here. So this is to accelerate. This is the speed. Speed 1 is 3 gears, I guess. Not the gears, I know. It's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 to accelerate. And then this is the throttle lever. Take it up, bring it down, lower the drone down. And then this is, of course, switching on the remote. This is to tilt the camera up. This one to tilt the camera down. And then this is to fine tune, left fine tuning, and then right fine tuning, just to adjust the drone, like to set it. And then this one is to adjust the camera downwards. And then this is for lighting control. Wow, for the camera, lighting control. Okay, and then this, of course, is the auto return. If you press, it will return. Long press, it will return. to the origin, and then if you press it once, it's the headless mode, which means now it doesn't matter whether it's going forward or backward. It's just how you're seeing the drone, you control it that way. So that's the headless mode. And then this is for 1 key rotation, for it to spin along its axis this way. And then this is for that, and then this other one is for 1 key takeoff or landing. If you want it to take off by just pressing 1 key, tap without using the throttle, this throttle here, just do it once, tap, and it goes, tap, and it comes back. It lands wherever it is. So that's basically about the remote. And then the package, we have extra propellers, the charger, the screwdriver, and what? Extra blades, not propellers, blades. They're like 4. And then this is USB charger. You know, this one is quite solid. It's tough, high quality. 4DRC, I like them for their quality, man. Quality. So that's it. There's nothing inside. So we have the instructions, which you must read. This one you must read. And then the app. So the first thing, guys, as I always tell you, you get this drone, you scan this on your phone, get the app. If you're using an Android, here it is. If you're using an iOS, here it is. And then the apps are pretty much straightforward. Once you put it, anybody can fly these drones. They're so easy to fly and easy to learn. For all my tech enthusiasts, for all who are on whatever you want to do with the drone. Drones these days have very many applications, man. You can do anything with your drone. You find a way, figure out. You can monitor your farm, you can survey your farm, you can take content, you can just learn to fly it. For security, for yourself, you can use it as a camera because the video is transmitted real time to your phone. You can view it. So yeah, man, you can use it for fun, just like a hobby. It depends. But drones have so many applications in this world, man. Look at what they're endless. People have been getting them to do many things. So yeah. And then you can upgrade the software. So as rule of thumb, we'll start to fire up the drone. See how it goes. And then I'm going to get the batteries so that we put them on the remote too. Fire. Hey. This is the first one I've had having a. Did you hear that? Maybe just do it again. Listen. Hey. Sound effects, my guy. So, we had that. Should I play it again? So it uses AAA batteries. But I love to start that drone again and say, hey. Guys, forgive me, but I love to start it again, just for my sake. Yeah. Just forget we had done it before, just see. Yeah. Hey, I have inserted the batteries, 3 AAA batteries. We are on, and then now I'll need to calibrate the drone on my phone using the app. Ooh. Guys, now you'll have to go virtual mode. So let's confirm if these keys work. They say that this key will move the camera up and down. We do it. Is it connected? How will I know? Okay. So it just connected. How will I know? Oh, I need to go to my app. Oh no. But I doubt. I need to connect it to my phone first. They have synced now. Yeah. Oh, I needed to first to sync it. Guys, relax. It's easy. So let me show you how to connect it. If you notice, the drone now is lit, like everything, the light has stabilized. It's not blinking, and it's ready. So let me show you how I've done it. I'll just switch off the remote and switch off the drone. So I don't know. Okay, so first the drone is on, and then the remote. And then now to make it sync, the drone and the remote, what I do, notice, see, once, and then down, up, throttle up, and then down, up, and then down once. Let me do it again. Okay, so you see it's blinking. I power on the remote, and then to sync the remote and the drone, do it up and then down, and then now the light on the remote will stop blinking, and also the drone, you'll notice that the lights are not blinking. And then this one, it's an alarm also. If the battery is low, it will continue to blink. That's what I read about it. So so that's the maximum angle it can switch, and then down. My guy, brushless propellers. So I don't know if it'll have space to hold it. My guy, the propellers. But you can hear it's so soft. Yes, there's once. And it has obstacle avoidance. You notice the light down there. These are not dual cameras. Okay, they are dual because there's this and this. There's this camera and then there's this. But this also is for optical flow. And then they said it has obstacle avoidance and a couple of features which I'll have to test. So yeah, guys, that's it. I'll take it outside because this one, it needs space. It's big. It needs space to be flied or flown. So yeah, I'll take it out and fly it up, give an assessment of how it is, how it handles, and everything. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. For those who have been here with me since we started, thank you for keeping it real. I'll be here to show you the cool gadgets, cool devices, lifestyle, and everything that deems fit for the channel. Until we meet again, Bye. And remember, enjoy your lives.